Good morning. Today is Thursday, December 15th. Wow, look at the sunlight on the hills. Oh, that's pretty. So we're just heading out. It's 9 a.m., about -5 degrees in beautiful Kamloops. Not too far today. We're going to go into Revelstoke. Probably could have gone further, but we're doing it in small bits so we don't get too tired. And then if there's anything that comes up, any unforeseen weather conditions or highway conditions, we've got ourselves extra time. So I think it's better to have a bit more time than not enough. So yeah, damn, that's pretty. Alright, well, I'm just going to sit back and enjoy the scenery and so pretty. It's I had a feeling it'd be pretty in the winter here. And yeah, it's beautiful. Sure, it's not the majestic Rockies, but the rolling hills and the brown grasses and the white snow, and then the sunlight's just hitting some of the hills at certain spots. Damn, this is nice. This is a good day. Definitely glad we're doing this. Highly recommended if you've got the abilities. Travel Canada in the winter. It's something special. Excited, we get into a new province. We'll be leaving British Columbia and heading into Alberta. And it's funny, in the summertime we drove all the way from Saskatchewan through Alberta into British Columbia and did a whole bunch of other stuff in a day. But we're going to take it a little bit slower this time around, so we'll probably spend a couple of nights in Alberta and then maybe a night in Saskatchewan. We'll see. They're looking like they're getting some snow, so it will really depend on the highway conditions. Not like today. These are a beauty. If I could just get Kazoo cleaned, we'd be golden. summertime and it was pretty, but definitely prettier in the winter. Now we just need to, Now we just need to find something to do for a few hours while we wait for our accommodations. I'm sure we can find a few things to do in the old Revelstokes. Snowy bears. That's quite the sign they have there. Fancy. Lovely afternoon in Revelstoke. It's only -2. Only -2. Looks like they have snow, but not as much as I was expecting. I think it's time for some more coffee. Get the coffee and putter about Revelstoke while we wait for our hotel. Yes. Good day, day 4. Tomorrow, Rocky Mountains. Yep, yep.